Meaning of discretely.
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 Discreetly.
Discreetly. The word discreetly refers to something that is done with discretion or in a careful and prudent manner. It can mean acting with tact and sensitivity, or being aware of the need for privacy and confidentiality. A person who behaves discreetly might speak in hushed tones or avoid drawing attention to themselves. Actions taken discreetly might occur behind closed doors or be communicated through encrypted channels. In general, actions taken discreetly are intended to avoid drawing attention or causing disturbance, often to respect the privacy or dignity of others.